A quick tip video for you today. There is an easy way to get full shapes out of patterns. When it works really well. I use My Feet Sleeper by Apostrophe Patterns to demonstrate. As you can see, it has solid black lines, only one size, because it's generated to measurements, but the shapes aren't whole paths. For best results, I'll hide all the text first. Control-click some text, then Edit, select Same, Object Type, then hide all from Layers and Objects. I switch to Paint Bucket tool and click inside the lines. The pattern piece is colored now, and it's a whole new path that can be stroked if you like. It doesn't repeat the original perfectly, but usually well enough for our purposes. Look at the pattern in actual size to decide if you can live with that level of imprecision. I leave the stroke thick here for visibility, but you'll get better results if you make it really thin. Also zoom in as far as you can while still seeing the whole part. Painting is more precise this way. It's easy if you pull around the piece to select all lines, then press 3 to fit the selection. You'll literally get better results on bigger screens. You can refine the results even more if you hide more lines, like fold line and cutting lines. There are tool settings on the panel you can explore. I usually use a bit of grow and let it fill the small gaps. The notches become a part of the path, but I'm okay with that. In the end, you can object unhide all and then group the new shapes with the text. With layered patterns, use PDF Stitcher to isolate the size and make strokes solid first. Come to Discord for help, moral support, and pleasant company. Come to Patreon if you prefer financial support. I'm thankful for either. Come again for the next quick tip video soon. I have promised a certain bonus thing to one of my patrons. You know who you are. So here it is. Leave me a comment if you'd like more Russian-Ukrainian phonemes. We have quite a few.